Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Let's Talk Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol Idex, which is for Ideonomics. So I have been making some videos on Idex because the last few videos were just before the earning, and I was expecting and I was talking about the price action and the earning was as I expected, and also the price action I was thinking. So the earning is out, probably you know about the earnings. So few people are asking like what they should do with IDEX and what my thinkings are. So that is why I'm making this particular video. It should be a quick video, so stay with me till the very end. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, I just want to show you the chart. So I'm showing you an hourly chart. You can see how IDEX moves, like it goes up, comes down, then it makes another high, it comes, then it goes up again, then it comes down, and it's supposed to go up again. But what happened, we all know that there was a market rotation, and also the small cap, high growth, those kind of companies were heavily beaten down. So it came down, that is why it did not go up. Maybe it might take some longer time. It came down and it might take some longer time, but again, on a long term, definitely it will go higher. The price target is 7, and this 7 is not coming from me, it is coming from Roth Capital. You can see the name here, it has a strong buy with $7 price target. So this is not my price target, but definitely keep that in mind. 5.5 was the previous high, so if it can go to 5.5, why not 7? Especially back to back two earnings, they did really good. Like if you see the two earning, you can see after the earning a big spike here, and again after the earning you see the changes here. So as long the company is doing good, they're expanding, then why not, it will go higher. But on the other hand, if you have a short-term mentality, or if you want to do some quick swing trade or something, then this is very important. And this is what I'm showing here, that you see the two black line, and I never changed those black line. I think starting from my first video, I have those lines here, and I just want to show you that the overall share price is coming down. Even though we are going up and down, it is moving, but the overall trend, if you see, when I join the highs, you see it's coming down, and also if I connect, it's coming down. But you see the gap here between the two black line, and the gap here is closing down. So hopefully at one point it will close down, and most probably it will go up higher. And also, if you can remember, in my last video I talked when the price was here, and I said we had some massive run. I think it's time to sell some of your stock, because I was expecting it will come down. So from 3.15 it came down, and I rebought again another I think around 2.6 or 2.7. Now yesterday it went again to $3. Again, it was a good movement, but this time what I did not sell all of my shares. I sold some covered call, and I will talk about the covered call because I'm bullish that the correction is almost over, and all the growth stock, they will go higher. So I'm holding the shares, definitely yes, because I bought at a lower price. At the same time, I sold some covered call. So in case by the expiration date the price does not go to 3.7, then I will just keep all the premium, so it will be my profit. So I'm not losing anything, right? But if you want, you can do few things here. So look at the chart on an hourly candle. Sorry, I don't want to draw anything at this point. So you can see that last time we went up, came down, and again back to back, so many hours we had green. Then we came down, and again we went up, and you see the massive green candle. So what's happened? So you know what happened, because if you look at the SPY chart, end of the day yesterday we had massive red candle, and then it's a gap down. So this morning the market opened really low, and then it tried to recover. The same thing happened with IDEX. You can see it went up all the way, then some massive red candles here, and this morning we even started lower, so it came down all the way around 2.6 2.7 area. Now we are moving sideways, so it's moving with the market, nothing wrong with IDEX. But one other thing I want to show you, this is a 4-hour candle, and you can see two lines I have here. So the red line here is the 20-day simple moving average, and this one, the purple one, is 50-day moving average. And as long the red line is over the 50-day moving average, it is showing you the bullish sign that the share price is going higher. And whenever there is a cross, it means the share price is coming down. So if you come here, come here and see what's happening. So whenever it crosses the red line goes on top, it means it's going higher. When it comes down, it's lower. So what's happening now is, see, so the red line is going to cross the purple line. So if the market momentum is continuing, and in that case the red line will go higher and the price will go higher. So that is why I did not sell my shares yesterday, because I think it might move sideways for some time, then it will start going up higher. So that's my overall thing. But again, if you come here, what are the support and resistance we were talking? I think one important area is this area, because you can see this area is acting like a good support, or maybe around this area. So you see for last some time around through 2.4, this area we bounced off that particular line. Also around this area we held it strong, also we bounced off here. And why we are maintaining the support? Because it was a previous resistance. Now that resistance has become support, so hopefully it will not go below 2.4. so if it comes to 2.4, definitely buy. If not, let's see what might happen. Also look at some other levels, like around this area, around 3.15, because we tried to break it here, we couldn't. And again, you see so many candles trying to push and it couldn't. So once it was a support, then it became a resistance. So again, if it goes to 3.15, maybe we can see another sell-off, but again it's up to you. But if we can go over the 3.15, then I see this thing will go higher. And how high it can go? It's so easy to draw the candles, like 3.5 area, right? You see some resistance here, and definitely it can go higher. But I'm not going up to 3.5 because I know I will cover more on this in this particular channel. And if you're an Idex lover, then you should be subscribing to the channel for more update. Anyway, so we are here around 3, and we need to see how we do for next few days, how the market is moving. If it is only the market, then it is one thing, but if it is only Idex, this is another thing. So if we move sideways, it is okay, or otherwise I think we will push higher and we will pass that $3 and we might hit 3.15 again. Or if we come down, look at those levels like 2.5, 2.4, just buy more, because if you're a long-term holder, then definitely I think it's okay to buy the dip. Otherwise it might come down again. It can come down to 2.4, or if something is terrible, it can come down to $2 again, because you see the two black line, like how it is moving. Also, I want to show you something about the earning, because the Q1 2021 earning came on May 17th, Monday at 4 p.m. So just the highlights, okay? I'm not gonna cover the entire thing. So the revenue for quarter ended March 31st, 2021 was 32 million and gross profit of 10 million. First revenue from the Wave wireless charging, right? And Timios were acquired, it came. So this time it was included for Timios and Wave. Also 356 million cash at quarter and providing a deep pool of capital for investment in our mobility. So they have a lot of money, so they can acquire another company, which is really good. And also if you go down, revenue for the quarter was 32.7, which represents the 5th consecutive quarter of growth. It is important, demonstrating the increasing strength of Ideonomics business teams and so on. It also talk about revenue from electric vehicle was 3 million, up from just 55,000 in the first quarter of 2020. And the gross profit, it talks so many things, but the earning was good. I have no issue with the earning, right? So again, if you're long term, don't worry, just hold and keep buying the dip. If you are not sure what to do, you can just sell if you're in profit or even break even, and if it comes down, you can buy more. Or if you have more than 100 share, just sell a covered call. I have been talking about covered call in my last few videos, so go to my BNGO video, go to my IDX videos, I talk about covered call, so you get an idea. Now let's look at the final thing, which covered call I did. So I just played with this particular one, 3 strike and 31, because I think it might not go over 3.3 by 18th of June. So if it does not go over 3.3, in that case this will be worthless. option and I will keep the money. So basically I sold that call option. So if it is not exercised, so if the price does not go there, whoever have bought it, they will never exercise at a higher price than the market price, right? So I will keep the $31. So this is just a small income you can always have. So if you have 100 share, it will cost let's say 250, and I get $30 off just by selling that call. So again, it's up to you. On the other hand, if you want to buy a call option, I would suggest take a long expiry date. It can be July, or even it can be like October, or it can be January of next year. So you will get lot of days. You see, but January 2022 will give you 247 days to expire, and your premium is not that expensive. Like if you choose $2 strike, your premium is 160, so your break even is 360. And do you think it can go to 360 or 350 in next 1 year? Why not? So again, if you buy, just buy and forget. You have 247 days to expire, and then just forget and chill your life. The market is choppy, so you do not need to come and check each and every day. Anyway, that was my thought and what I did after the earning. And again, this is a channel where I cover IDX because I'm holding a lot of share and I'm long term on this particular one. I will not sell before it go to 6 or 7 on the long term side. On the short side, sometimes I sell, then I buy back. So it's a rinse and repeat. I'm doing some swing trading, but I have a long term vision as well. I'm selling covered call, and I also have some long call option for this particular one. So anyway, my friend, thank you very much for watching this particular video. If you find this video useful, then please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you again. Take care and bye bye.